Alright, got some lights going, the engine running, got the duct on it, that was a chore. But you know, when you get these two supports down in here, this lower overrider support and this one, this becomes really solid. I think I was missing that lower overrider support on mine. So I installed my fog light switch right there. Those are really bright. The other side going. It's pretty smooth. Anyway, it's coming along. Got some carpet in. I'll show you up in here. There's that fog light switch. I had an extra heater switch, so I used that. Trunk so far. Spare in there. Haven't unpacked the tools yet. Pretty even beat.
Sound